Hello everyone, welcome to the AI channel, and today I want to talk to you about the latest Flux price, which is currently sitting at the lowest in a while. Actually today is hitting the lowest in the last 52 weeks. What is going on, and is this truly an opportunity to double down our investment and to get more Flux to run more nodes, etc. Also, it's been confirmed that there will be a new parallel asset, so I'll cover that. And on top, proof of use work is around the corner, so what I'm buying in terms of hardware, I'll give you an update on that too. Alright, please like and subscribe if you like the content. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe and I continue providing this type of content. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's get into it. Alright, so Flux today just hit 34 cents. It is here right now. 34 cents. So this is the lowest been a year, and actually it's been the lowest in a while, right? The lowest been at this level is probably in August. This is let me see, September, around September, August, early September 2021. That's the lowest been. Because we've been at this low here in July 2022, around 40 cents, and then 40 cents in November 22. 40 cents in December 20. So this is the lowest in a couple of years. And if you're invested in Flux, you're running nodes like me. I have 14 nodes. The rewards are really low at this point. I'm almost losing in the cumulus nodes. I'm still net or making profit, some profit on the Nimbus, but on the cumulus I'm losing money. Small amount. We'll go over the numbers in a moment. But you gotta see this as an opportunity. If you haven't invested in Flux yet, this is a great company, great team. This is useful work. Not only this proof of useful work coming, but this is actually working nodes, and you're providing a service to the network. So this is a great team, a great opportunity. This you won't get at this price again, I think. So if you're new to Flux, go ahead and immerse yourself in the Flux world. You read about all the projects they have going on. If you look at the prices here, the competition, right? You can beat Flux. Look at this. Two CPUs, virtual CPUs. For Flux, 3.09. For Google Cloud, $176. For AWS, 79 bucks. So you can compete with Flux. Once the general public, once the other companies start seeing these advantages for running the same, look at Flux, 4 CPUs. $549, Google Cloud $323, 8 CPUs, Flux $10, Google Cloud $617, AWS $470. So it's a matter of supply and demand, right? Once this become more popular and people start using Flux for the cloud and storage services, it's gonna take off eventually. This is a daily chart on TradingView. Let's look at price and the history, right? Every time we touch this yellow line, which was my support line at 39 cents, we bounce it. We touch it many times. This is back in June 2022. We touch it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then we bounce and we hit a new high. Then we touch it again here in November 2022, 1, 2, and then we went up, right? We came close and we went up, and then slowly we've been doing these spikes here, but trending down slowly. We touch it again. I thought it will break this trending line here. You can see here this kind of a resistance line, but we never broke it, and we kept trending down, getting closer to that resistance. Support level here in yellow, which was the lowest. We broke it last week, and then we hit this new low, which is 36 cents, and today we just really dumped and we broke it. So now, how low can we go from here? Well, it's hard to tell, right? How low we're gonna go from here. It's gonna depend on how much demand for Flux is truly gonna be in the next few weeks. Now, the benefit is that you're gonna get the cheapest cumulus node as of today, right? You need 1,000 Flux to get into one, so that's 340. Let's do a quick math here. Throw 340. Let's put it here. Investment will be 340 for a cumulus. No, that's investment. For an Nimbus will be 12,000 So let me do this math. 12,500 times 0.34, which is Flux, approximately as of today, 42.50. So 42.50. In terms of cost, on a monthly basis, PoUW is charging me $8 for the Cumulus and 21 for the Nimbus. I'm using one provider for Nimbus. You may get other prices, but this is what I'm paying right now for my 14 Cumulus and one Nimbus. All right, and in terms of rewards, let's check on the rewards. Let's get the calculation here. Rewards are now for the Cumulus is 751 Flux plus 6.76. That's 14.27. 14.27. And then in terms of Nimbus, let's do Nimbus here. Nimbus is 55.83 times 50. I'm sorry, plus 15 on parallel assets, right? 106, 106.08. So let's put that 106.08. All right, in terms of revenue, that will be rewards time Flux price. That's $4 as of today, $4.85 plus Nimbus. So net will be this minus the cost. So I'm losing $3.15 per month per Cumulus node. I have 14 in total, so all right. Now in terms of revenue for, let's copy this here. All right, so I'm making revenue $36.07 for each Nimbus. Net will be $15.07 for each Nimbus net given the cost. So losing $3.15 for each Cumulus, making $15.07 for each Nimbus. All right, so what would you own a Cumulus node today, right? If you're losing money, well, this may be the cheapest you will ever get, right? Especially because proof of use of work is coming, it's around the corner. Let's say we ever go back to either $1, just $1. We need $1,000 to invest, and we'll be making $6 a month. And Nimbus is $12,500 just to get one Nimbus. If we ever go back to the highest point, which was what, $3.40. That's just to get a Nimbus node will be like significant amount of money, $42,500, and that will, the net will be 339. If we ever go back there, which I believe we will, because you know we're still in the bear market, right? Winter is not over, but we will eventually get back to those numbers. Now, in terms of supply, I want to show you something here on the. So in terms of maximum supply, Flux is 440 million, and we are already, let's see, circulating. So we are already at 316. All right, so there's not much. There's still what 124 million left on Flux, and that's it. So we are already 70%, 71, 72% of the circulating supply of the total maximum supply is out. So there's only 30% left remaining. So that will influence the price in the future. Now I want you to listen to what Daniel Keller said on Mining Disrupt. I think this is important because it tells you what their goal is, right, and what's coming next. So let's listen. I think this is important.
Mine any proof of work project there is. This is our benchmarking screen that allows us to showcase exactly what we're doing. This will tell you what your CPU, your GPU, your mining usage, so on and so forth. You'll be able to mine while you're waiting for your proof of work model to become available, which is really nice. So one of our things at Flux that we talk about is Google had a motto many years ago. And as a matter of fact, if you go back in the Wayback Time Machine and you think about many, many years ago, Google had a "Don't be evil" underneath their search engine. It has since been scrubbed from the code base completely. You can't find it anywhere. Why? That was their shot at other companies that were being evil. They were manipulating your data. They were using you as a tool in their arsenal, right? Our motto that we have with Flux is "Don't be evil" again, and we practice what we preach. We believe in this. These opportunities come once in a lifetime.
There you have it. Web3 and proof of useful work is coming. It's gonna be great, private, decentralized. This is a new paradigm. So I think we are at the beginning of a new paradigm pretty much. So I wanna get ready. We need to get ready for proof of useful work. All right, and speaking of proof of useful work, I found the motherboard that I'm gonna be using in order to upgrade my mining rigs. I'm gonna be using this Asus WSX299. If you see, let's go over the tech specs here. Here it is, expansion slot. It comes with 7 PCIe 3.0, 16 electrical lanes. So if you were to use one, it's just 16, 2, both in 16, 3, the 3 in 16 mode, and even 4 GPUs. I can use 4 of them on 16 PCIe electrical lanes. So thing is, it's gonna depend on the space I'll have on the box, right? So I may have to use these PCI extenders, but we'll see. This is definitely the one that I want to use. If you were to use all of the PCIe slots, the first one will be used in 16 mode and the other one's in 8. All right, but this is definitely the motherboard I want to get. Right, in terms of CPUs, this i9 7960X will be a nice match for this motherboard. It comes with 16 core, 32 threads, 32. So that will be enough for 3 GPUs, right? And it's at 329 at Newegg. Okay, one more update. They just announced that there's gonna be another parallel asset, so they're gonna take a snapshot on October 31st. This is just been announced. You need to hold a Flux in your cell core. This is another reason why I hold Flux, right? And we're gonna get up to 4% of the token rewards that we have on our cell core wallet. This is awesome. Okay, this is it for the update on Flux price and rewards as of today. Hang on tight because proof of useful work is coming. I'll be posting another video as soon as I have my rig updated. Also, I found out that there are other projects I can use that rig for, so I'll be posting another video on that as well. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.